people have been looking for this all weekend, and it looks like it's in my backyard. I wasn't expecting to find it, so it was actually a friend of mine who lives in the neighborhood who suggested that I go check my backyard because people were looking everywhere around for the door, and nobody found it yet. So it was dark by that time, and I went out and I got my flashlight and went around to the back, which is very dark because I planted a forest back there. But in the flashlight beam, I could see that there was something gleaming white underneath the trees in the back that isn't normally there. And when I went to investigate it, it was very obviously part of a plane. It had the same curvature as a fuselage. It had a plane type window in it, and it was white, which is why it was gleaming. So it was kind of caught in the trees at the time. They pulled it out and laid it out on the grass, and even though it was raining this morning, they were up close and shining their lights on it and taking pictures and starting to try to figure out what had happened to cause that. In my physics A class, we've just finished talking about impulse and momentum, so that comes up as well. The trees acted like an airbag and made for a longer stop and a lower force. So I don't think the door was damaged at all by the fall.